Take one, Andy. Yes. And how you doing? You all right, mate?
Hi, Martin. Not so bad. Yourself?
I'm all right. I'm all right. Yeah, the weather's clearing up, so that's okay. Yeah,
It
yeah.
is.
I just wanted a quick chat with you because I've had an inquiry from a guy. He's looked at the website. He's
Yeah.
been looking at the Dryflex WS materials that we produce, the water swelling materials, and he's just wanted a little bit of a direction as to which grade he required for his application. Just wondering what your thoughts are on that.
Right. Good question. When we produce the grades, there are essentially two areas that the customer should be looking at. The first one is the hardness,
Yeah,
and the second one is the swell level. Basically, with regard to hardness, we create a number of different hardness ranges, but essentially it boils down into two primary areas. One is 40 Shore A, and the second one is 25 Shore A. Historically, we started off with 40 Shore A products because that was an industrial standard for construction seals, water seals. So 40 Shore A was the norm at that point. But we found that by moving to a softer material, it could be processed at a lower temperature, and also it was a lot easier to handle. It was much easier to drape. If you're going around pipes or around corners. So
I see. Yeah.
So we essentially have two hardness ranges, 25 and 40, but we can optimize to whatever the customer requires. We can't go too hard because then it impedes the swelling, but generally 25 and 40 Shore A are the initial starting points.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
The second factor that the customer needs to look at is actually the swell level. And within the reference for our standard nomenclature, we actually produce materials that swell between 350 and in excess of 1,000% in deionized water. And the reason why we use deionized water is because it is a standard medium for testing the products in under laboratory conditions. So depending on what the application is, and the level of swell he requires, he can pick a product that will suit his hardness needs, either mechanically for the end use or to help him with processing. And then the second point is the swell level.
All right. Okay. I see. Yeah.